Hello learners, this is day 3 of 30 days challenge. Today we are going to print another pattern. So let's go to the VS Code. This is the required pattern we have to print in the C++ language. Let's see how we'll print this. To 5, then this will be printed again. If we'll give 6, then this will be printed. This was our required pattern. Thank you for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep exploring. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks for watching.